is Joviana Palacio and welcome to my channel where we talk about all things beauty. On my channel, it's not just your average makeup channel. There's a few things that are different. First off, I have 7 to 8 years of makeup application, makeup artistry experience, and there's one thing that I've learned from all of my clients is that you guys feel overwhelmed by makeup in general, whether it's the tools to use, skincare, the right makeup, what skin type do you have? And so the one thing that I want to make sure I do on this channel is educate. So twice a week on Wednesdays and Saturdays, you will get videos full and jam-packed of education where I take you step by step on how to apply makeup, what products are best for you based off of your skin type, and we're gonna have fun together, guys. Makeup should be fun. So subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification button so you're made aware of when I upload new videos, and let's have fun. I'll see you on my next video.